demonstrating apparatus of a spring-loaded safety trigger for elevators, a design project of the Mechanical Engineering Department, College of Engineering, Architecture and Fine Arts, Batangas State University. In partial fulfillment of the requirements in ME 454, Machine Design 2, by Mark Harold Corpus, Fritz Johnson de Guzman, Van Allen de Guzman, Chester Lawrence Doble, and Michael James Gamboa. Introduction. Elevators are invented to provide comfort and ease through travel, and with the world's high number of towering skyscrapers and high-rise buildings, elevators are becoming more of a necessity. With the countless number of people and multiple equipments being hoisted by these elevators, we come to question the elevator's safety and its precautions during malfunctions. Modern elevators using computer-guided clamps governs elevator in the event of the wire rope snapping. In 1854, Elisha Graves Otis, the founder of the now famous elevator manufacturing company, invented a mechanism that acts as a safety trigger, stopping the elevator from plummeting to the ground. The mechanism is loaded with spring linked to separate wedges. These wedges, when actuated, pegs to gaps made in the sides of the elevator's guide. This project is intended to give an illustration of the safety elevator, strongly focusing on the spring-loaded mechanism that would prevent elevators from falling at the event of the wire rope snapping. Presentation of the prototype. This is the design of the spring-loaded safety trigger for elevators demonstrating apparatus. And now you can see how it moves along with the guide rails. Observe the compression of the spring on the design. Now, let's take a look on the fabricated prototype. The elevator car is raised and lowered by a hoist. At the top of the elevator car, the simple mechanism is made up of spring-loaded arms and pivots. And when the cable breaks, the springs push out two sturdy bars so they lock into the vertical rocks with upward pointing teeth on either side. This ratchet-like device clamps the elevator safely in place. Take a closer look on how the spring is compressed and how it expands when the cable breaks. The system's primary purpose is for the safety to be observed on elevators. At the event of the elevator's wire rope snapping, the spring mechanism will trigger supports to stop the elevator from falling onto the ground. Considering the high demand for elevators, it is essential to have a safety measure available in times of emergency. This mechanism is also applicable not only on elevators, but to other systems such as dump waiters, mine hoist, and other traction drive applications. Safety has always been the number one priority in the working environment and in our everyday lives. And of course, elevators are made to last, but the passengers can rest assured that this safety elevator can save their lives. Today, this is one of the best safety inventions in the industry, and safety has been the foremost concerns of the people.